did that. Hello gang, what's good, what's poppin'? Welcome back to another video. If this is your first time on my channel, welcome. I am Ruth Nanda, aka Lo. What's goody? So in this video I will be showing you guys my wash day routine. If you're new to the channel, I have been natural for 5+ years. I will link a video up above, and I recently relaxed my hair a couple months ago, back in May, and I am getting myself back into the relaxed game. Okay, it's wash day and we need to wash this hair. It's been about 2 or 3 weeks now that this hair needs to be washed, girl. And I have some new growth. I'm actually stretching out my relaxer a little bit. I don't think I'm gonna relax until maybe November. I experienced some breakage. I don't know if I have any pictures insert, but if I do, I will put it on the screen. But I did experience some breakage, and I think I got majority of my breakage from my bonnets. I'm a little disappointed in that, because where my hair broke off is exactly where that little stitching is, that band for my bonnets. Ladies, I'm a little torn because I still wear my bonnet, but I kind of like flip it inside out where the stitching is on the outside, and I try to trying to wear more of my silk head ties and so forth. But we're gonna be protecting our hair real soon so that we can kind of roll back this hair and get this hair going. Anyway, enough of that little hair updates. We're gonna get into this wash day. Like I said, I have experienced breakage, so we're gonna do a deep conditioning, and I'm going to be adding heat. I usually add my heat cap, but this time I'm actually gonna add a hair dryer so I can get some heat to this hair because it needs some. Also curating my own little DIY conditioner. So I bought a pack conditioner from the beauty supply store, and I have an aloe vera plant, so I'm gonna mix that. You know, aloe vera is great for your hair. If you guys have been on my channel a while, you know I like to DIY keep conditioners, and I've used aloe vera plenty of times on this channel. So we did it when it was natural, we're about to do it now we're relaxed, okay? Also, I have some black Jamaican castor oil, like from Jamaica. Put a couple drops of that in there. Enough of the chit chat. Make sure you hit the subscribe button if you like videos like this, and let's get right into it.
Subscribe.
Spending all my nights alone, waiting for you to go. You're the only one I want by my side when I fall asleep. Tell me what I'm waiting for. Tell me what I'm waiting for. I know what's up, but we need each other. Know what's up, but we need each other. So I'm waiting for you to go. You're the only one I want by my side when I fall asleep. Tell me what I'm waiting for. Tell me what I'm waiting for. I know what's up, but we need each other. Know what's up, but we need each other. Back and forth, I'll take it if that's all you ask for. With my legs up on the dashboard, only thing I get is my passport. Back and forth, I'll take it if that's all you ask for. With my legs up on the dashboard, only thing I get is my passport. Back and forth, I'll take it if that's all you ask for. With my legs up on the dashboard, only thing I get is my passport.
Okay guys, so now that I've washed my hair, I am going to go ahead and deep condition. You guys saw how I mixed this deep conditioner with aloe vera. I am going to add some of my Giovanni Smooth as Silk deeper moisture conditioner in here. So note that if you really want really good moisturizing hair, Giovanni is a good brand. I got these from TJ Maxx for $12.99. You can look up on this because this is a big bottle for $12.99. Anyways, I mixed my little concoction in here. I'm not doing it no fancy way with any applicator. I'm just gonna put this on my hair, and we're gonna do this in sections, and we're gonna let it sit for about, let's go for 10 to 15 minutes under the dryer if I can stand the heat. We're gonna do that, and I will be rinsing this out, and I'll show you guys what my hair look like after. So let's get deep conditioning this hair. Oh, let me show you guys my hair. None of it's wet. This is my hair after it's washed. Like, you guys can see that it needs some type of treatment. It's so bland, it's so whatever. Like, girl, it looks crazy. So we are going to pray that this deep conditioner give a little something, because it's looking like, okay. So let's go ahead and put this conditioner in, and we'll tap it and see what this hair look like after the fact, because girl. One thing I'm learning is being more gentle with my hair. So please be more gentle with your hair, because girl, I'm very rough and tumble, and I'm just trying to be gentle with myself altogether, but mainly my hair, girl. Mainly my hair, because I'm very rough all around the edges all the way. Okay guys, so we have washed this hair. I took a shower and everything, so we need the heat penetrating through the roots. So we're about to take this hair, we're gonna see what this hair is looking like. We had just did a little at-home treatment. We're gonna do a protein treatment later on next month or so. This is what it's looking like. We do need a treatment, and we need to cut these ends. I don't have the time right now to do it, and it's a very messy process. And it will be trimming these ends as well, because the ends, baby, is just trash. So if you guys are interested in seeing these videos, make sure you are subscribed to the channel and turn your notifications on so you know every time I upload. All right guys, so make sure you have a good heat protectant and leave-in, and I will be using the Chi. You guys know I love Chi, and I'll be using its 10. That's why I want to protect my hair, because I've been putting so much flat iron on it, putting all this extra heat on it, so I have to protect my hair.
You lead me to paradise. Your cries that can be heard from far.
Okay guys, my hair is dry. So I usually like to use my Softies Herbal Grow. And I like to put that in my scalp so I can grease my roots, because my scalp gets dry. And this also helps grow the hair too. So I don't know if you guys can use this, but you can pick this up at the Dollar Tree or the Family Dollar. I don't know if Walmart sells it, but it's only $1. So I've done twist outs with this before. I will link it up above.
Only the two of us. Everything I need between those thighs. Every time I look into your eyes.
Okay guys, so this is my hair. My hair is completed, washed, fresh, and ready for a new style.
I see it.
Wash day was super easy, nothing too much. I don't do a lot on wash day. This just included a deep condition treatment kind of thing that I wanted to do. I will be doing the protein treatment like I mentioned earlier, so make sure you are subscribed to the channel. Make sure you hit the notification bell so you know every time I upload or when I do upload that video. And yeah, so if you guys did enjoy my relaxed wash day, make sure you thumbs up this video so I know you like videos like this. And remember to hit the subscribe button and you can be a part of Low Gang. And sis, it's free. It's free. free, like free. Okay. So yeah, let me go ahead and do my skincare because my face is so dry right now, and head to bed. And until next time, guys, kisses from me to you. Bye.
Taking trips, come back at 6, wake me in your child.